Imagine this. You're at the grocery checkout. You tap your card. Declined. Not because you're irresponsible, not because you're bad with money. And if you think it's just you, it's not. More than a third of adults say they couldn't cover a $400 emergency expense using cash or its equivalent. But because your money has been leaking, quietly, for months. Here's the scary part. If you don't fix it, you can earn more and still feel broke. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to give you a simple 3-step money system: earn, control, multiply, so you can make more money and actually keep it. And I'm also going to show you the one invisible bill that drains a lot of people, even when they swear they don't spend that much. It's not Starbucks. It's worse. Stay with me. Quick transparency. This video is education, not personal financial advice. And if I ever mention a tool, app, or link, I'll tell you if it's sponsored or if I earn a commission. You deserve clarity. Now, let me tell you a story that's painfully common in the US. Names changed. Situation real. Meet Emily. She's 29. She's doing everything right. Works hard, pays her bills, doesn't buy crazy stuff. But every month looks like this. Payday hits, relief. Then life hits. Car repair, birthday gift, takeout because she's exhausted, a couple subscriptions she forgot about. And by the third week, she's checking her account like it's a horror movie. Not because she's lazy, because she never built a system. One Friday, she tells her friend, "I need a better job, that's the problem." And her friend says something that changes everything. "No, you need a better map." That line is the entire video. Because money doesn't behave like a personality test. Money behaves like water. If your bucket has holes, more water doesn't fix the holes. It just leaks faster. Here's the 3-step map. Step 1, earn. Increase cash coming in. Because yes, income matters. But most people hear earn more and think it means work more hours, burn out, hustle forever. No, think earn more in lanes. Lane A, raise your main income. Negotiate, job hop strategically, build a career skill that pays. Lane B, add a side income that doesn't destroy your life. Freelance a skill you already have. Weekend service work short term. Sell something you already know how to do. Lane C, stop losing money to avoidable fees. This is part of earning because a $35 overdraft fee is literally negative income. If you want, comment earn, and I'll drop a free list of realistic side income ideas that don't require a huge audience. Step 2, control. This is the part that decides if your future self is free or stressed. Remember the invisible bill I teased? Yes, lifestyle creep. It's not one big purchase. It's 100 tiny upgrades, a slightly nicer car payment, a slightly more expensive apartment, a few it's just $12 subscriptions, delivery fees, interest, and suddenly your raise is gone. Here's what Emily did. Simple but powerful. She set up a 3-bucket system the same day she got paid. Bucket 1, bills, keep life stable. Bucket 2, freedom, savings and emergency fund. Bucket 3, future you, investing. And she automated it. Not all save what's left, because there's never anything left. She saved first, then spent. If you want, use this rule for 1 month. The moment you get paid, move something to freedom, move something to future you, even if it's small. Because the goal in month 1 isn't perfection. The goal is control. And listen, if you're in debt or you're behind, I'm not judging you. A lot of people are surviving, not thriving. This is about getting you breathing room. Step 3, multiply. This is where money stops being a treadmill and starts being a tool. 2 key ideas. First, protect your downside. Build an emergency fund so one surprise doesn't become a credit card spiral. Second, put your long-term money to work. For many people, that means using diversified, long-term investing habits they can actually stick with. Not gambling, not get rich tomorrow. And here's the twist. The goal isn't to find the magical investment. The goal is to invest consistently enough that time does the heavy lifting. Back to Emily. 3 months later, her life doesn't look luxury, it looks peaceful. She still goes out sometimes, she still lives her life, but now she has a plan for bills, a cushion for surprises, and an automatic transfer building her future in the background. That's what wealthy feels like at the start. Not flashy, stable. And the best part? She stopped saying, "I'll start next month," because she already started. If this video helped you, do 3 quick things. Hit like, it tells me to make more videos like this. Subscribe, because this channel is about making money and managing it like an adult, not like a lottery ticket. Comment 1 word, map. I read comments, and I want to know who's serious. And if you want my free 1-page Earn, Control, Multiply checklist, I put it in the description. No spam, just a simple template you can start using today. Final reminder, you don't have a money personality. You have a money system, and systems can be built. Earn, control, multiply. You fix the leaks, and suddenly your money starts staying. See you in the next one.